I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
To replacement Toyota Camry 2002 model 5S 3S engine head gasket. First you need to battery disconnect, and then engine mounting, timing cover, manifold. You need also tire open because you need to first of all timing remark. Now I open this engine mounting. There have 40mm bolt, and then I open this breaker, this engine mounting breaker. There have also 3 bolts. This bolt size is 14mm. I put out now is alternator belt, and then engine breaker. Put out this 2 piece. Okay, and then I do it again, timing remark. And then now I open it timing belt cover, because I need to this timing mark reset first of all. To everyone, remember where you need to this open the hand, you don't open his whole parts, only up timing cover you open, just open. No need to use all timing cover, and then no need to put out, only you put out this timing cover up. Now I open for cover fully because I need to turn around for timing mark. Viewers, this pulley bolt is 19mm. 19mm box. You need to round this pulley for round for timing mark. This is cam pulley. You need to up mark cam pulley, same like that mark up. And then there have engine pulley also. You look, there have mark. I show you. Look, there have mark, same. So like do it is 0. Try around for this mark, because I need to reset first of all timing, and then now I put out this plug cable. And now I open it this electric distribution. Where you open this electric distribution, you must be remember this firing order number 1. Where you report this distribution, you must be do it firing order number 1. Where you put number 4, you cannot start your engine. Now I put out all disconnect cable. We need to all cable disconnect this computer inside, outside, all connect disconnect, and then it put out one side. This is last part of my video. You need to more video for second part, third part. You subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Now I show you how to this gasket replace. I open now this timing bell. This timing bell adjustment fully bolt is 14 millimeter. I put out this timing bell fully belt. While you open this bell timing, you remember this is top up of mark. This firing order is number 1. I also open this manifold and type it cover. This type it cover have a 13 millimeter box. If you need for open this type it cover, there have a 4 nut for type it cover, 13 millimeter nut. This I put out all the nut of type it cover, and then I put out this type it cover. Just look this oil and water mix. Where oil and water mix, this oil color you saw, white color. This is oil and water mixing. Otherwise this color is different. Now I put out every injector socket. Look, I show you how to this color, off-white color. This oil color changing because this water and oil mix it. This had gasket damage. For otherwise colors is changed now. You also mark it this exhaust camshaft and intake camshaft. Here have a mark. I show you where is mark. You must be put it on marks. This boot of cap. You saw there. There have a mark for timing mark. Yes. We saw exhaust gravely have tension. Or you need to this exhaust camshaft open. You must be put inside 10 millimeter bolt because this tension gone out. You didn't put this 10 millimeter bolt is gone out of. Now I open timing camshaft fully. This is timing camshaft pulley. They have a 14mm bolt. You need to open this cam pulley and open timing plate. Don't forget for this about cam bolt, this 10mm. You must be put it this camshaft bolt, this 10mm. I will show you this 10mm bolt. You must be put. Now I open it as camshaft up. This also 10mm bolt. Now I open it, this head bolt, this 12mm bolt, this is bar 4 bolt. I finished my open. Now I put out this head and I show you which cylinder go inside water. I put out and then I show you which cylinder inside go water. So go water is number 4 and I show you there on head. Look, this one. This cylinder is okay. 1, 2, 3. This 4, number 4. This cylinder is have a problem. Number